Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel specially I upload videos related to math of class 11, 12, BCom, BSc, engineering and higher class also. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share. Okay. Now we are going to discuss a trigonometry related chapter, submultiple angle. The problem is tan alpha by 2 equals to 1 by root 3 tan beta by 2. Tan beta by 2. Then so that cos beta equals to 2 cos alpha minus 1 divided by 2 minus cos alpha. Okay. As tan alpha by 2 equals to 1 by root 3 into tan beta by 2 is given. First of all, we have to find the value of tan beta by 2 from here. Tan beta by 2 equal to root 3 into tan alpha by 2. Okay. As we know that the submultiple formula of cos beta equals to, in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square beta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan square beta by 2. Okay. Now putting the value of tan beta by 2 into this one, we get 1 minus 3 tan square alpha by 2 divided by 1 plus 3 tan square alpha by 2. Okay. As we know that tan square alpha by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha. Putting this formula into this one, we get 3 into 1 minus cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha. 1 plus 3 into 1 minus cos alpha by 1 plus cos alpha. Taking LCM, you get 1 plus cos alpha minus 3 plus 3 cos alpha divided by 1 plus cos alpha plus 3 minus 3 cos alpha. Okay. Denominator will be cancelled out here. Finally, 4 cos alpha minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2 cos alpha. Taking 2 as common from both numerator and denominator, we get the following result. After cancelling 2, we get the final result. Okay. Very easy to solve. If any doubt arises, please comment me. I will clear your doubt. And thank you for watching this video till now.